Hello, you're welcome. Ever wondered if you can actually earn real money just by watching videos, playing games, or doing simple online tasks? Well, today I'm breaking down this legit platform where people are cashing out in Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and more. Stay with me to the end because I'll also share some insider's tips and workarounds to maximize your earnings. So the name of this platform is Cointiply. It's a crypto rewards website where you earn free cryptocurrency for completing everyday online activities. Think of it as a mix between a reward app and a mini crypto faucet. You don't need to invest anything to start. It is completely free. You can make money in Cointiply in several ways. 1. Watching video through partnered ad networks. You can also make money through playing games and testing apps. Number 3 is answering surveys and opinion poll. 4 is daily faucet bonus where you roll and win coins. Also through the referral system where you earn a percentage from friends you invite. And they also pay in cryptocurrencies. Once you reach the minimum withdrawal threshold, you can cash out directly into your crypto wallet and payments are usually processed within 24 to 48 hours, which is pretty fast compared to many other sites. Cointiply is available worldwide, but here's the catch. Some countries may have limited offer walls or survey. If you are in a restricted region, you might not see as many earning opportunities. But here's the tip. Many users use trusted VPN or proxy workarounds to unlock more tasks. Just make sure it's safe and it doesn't violate the platform's rules. Let's keep it real. Well, it is free to use, pays in crypto and multiple earning streams. The downside is offers depends on your country. Earnings can be slow if you are not consistent. So the secret is consistency. The more tasks you do, the more crypto you stack. So if you are looking for a fun way to start your crypto journey without spending a dime, Cointiply is worth checking out, and I will drop the official link in the description so you can sign up safely. And don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe for more money making app reviews. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.